Are you looking for the best treadmills under $2,000? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 1750. An Amazon's choice product and our top pick for the best treadmill under $2,000, the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is perfect for home and gym use alike. A powerful 3.75 continuous horsepower motor ensures that you can maintain a 0 to 12 miles per hour training session on your decent-sized belt with ease. Flex Select cushioning works to protect your joints and prevent injury while running regularly. The 10-inch HD Smart touchscreen display allows you to easily follow a streamed workout or watch a movie while working. An iFit membership is included with your purchase of the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. With this membership, you have access to thousands of pre-prepared and live workouts that focus on running, sculpting, cross-training, and more. There are also various global terrain videos to get the feeling of working out around the world. In terms of downsides, this membership automatically charges you after that 1 year is up. Be careful and bear this in mind before purchase. The built-in fan up front lets you immerse yourself while providing a little relief. Once your workout is over, you can track your stats, use Google Maps, and make room for multiple users. Once you are ready to put everything away, the Commercial 1750 folds easily using the Easy Lift Assist feature. With how easy this product is to use and store, you have no excuse to skip your cardio workout. Number 2. 3G Cardio 80i Fold Flat Incline Treadmill. Our top pick for the best home treadmill under $2,000, the 3G Cardio 80i is an excellent option for fitness enthusiasts with very little floor and storage space. The large belt works together with the 3 horsepower motor to bring you speeds of up to 11 miles per hour and inclines of up to 15%. Large easy-to-read displays ensure that you can read your heart rate and other stats no matter when you work out. One-touch speed and incline adjustment remove any awkward movement to keep you in the flow. In terms of comfort, the 3G Cardio has OrthoFlex suspension for ultimate comfort and security in your joints. While we love the 3GS built-in speakers and iPhone and MP3 connections, we wish that there were more than 8 built-in programs and 4 custom ones to choose from. Once your workout is complete, this model folds completely flat and can even fit underneath your bed for optimum space saving and storage. The warranties on the 3G are 5 years for parts and 1 year for drive, frame and labor, which is some of the lowest on this list. In terms of the user weight limit, the maximum for the 3G Cardio 80i is 325 pounds, which is pretty high and should suit many users. Number 3. 3G Cardio Pro Runner Treadmill. The chosen model for the best running treadmill under $2,000, the 3G Cardio Pro Runner is perfect for amateur and regular runners to train no matter the weather or season. A powerful 3 horsepower motor propels the belt up to 12 miles per hour and a 15% incline, easily adjusted through a one-touch system. Multiple heart rate monitoring options are available, including a wireless chest belt and a touch-based system. There are 3 different fitness tests to choose from and pit yourself against, along with 8 pre-programmed workouts and 2 custom ones. No matter how taxing your workout is, an adjustable fan is built to keep you cool. This foldable treadmill has a compact design that can be stored in most narrow areas in a garage or a corner. In terms of warranties, the Cardio Pro Runner has some of the longest on this list. Its motor warranty lasts a lifetime and the parts warranty that lasts for 5 years. If you lose your manual or need to register your warranties, you can easily do that on Amazon and the brand's website, respectively. In customer reviews, some have noted that the belt is prone to wear down quickly and could be better quality. Number 4. Lifespan TR4000i Folding Treadmill. Our top pick for the best folding treadmill for under $2,000, the Lifespan TR4000i is an effective and compact model suitable for those with smaller living spaces. Along with handling 12 miles per hour, a 15% incline, and 2 decline options, the max user weight for the TR4000i is 350 pounds, making it perfect for users with a variety of body types. 21 different trainer programs are available to push you to reach your fitness goals. They are easy to track using the 3 different 7-inch dashboards. Listening to your playlist or a podcast is easy with Bluetooth-connected speakers and a USB charger built right into the treadmill for your convenience. In terms of warranties, the Lifespan TR4000i is covered by a lifetime frame and motor warranty, a 5-year parts warranty, and a 1-year labor warranty. This puts it towards the top when compared to other entrants on this list. That being said, some customers have noted that this treadmill can be quite loud, and touching certain metal parts can give you a small static shock at times. Once your workout is over, the Easy Fold technology and soft drop system ensure that putting away and pulling out your folding treadmill is as comfortable and safe as possible.